In this video, we will talk about how to fix Windows 10 taskbar icons disappeared. Method 1. Restart Windows Explorer. Right-click on Taskbar. Select Task Manager. Scroll it down. Right-click on Windows Explorer. Select Restart. Method 2. Restart IconCache. Click in Search. Type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Type the following commands one by one and press Enter. I have mentioned all commands in the description. The last command will restart your PC. Hopefully, that fixes your problem. Method 3. Check tablet mode. Press and hold Windows key on your keyboard. Then press A. Make sure tablet mode is off. So that's how you can fix Windows 10 taskbar icons disappeared. See you in the next video.